Hi guys, we are Tomorrow by Together! Hi, this is Subin!
Hi everyone, this is Kai. Hi guys, this is Hamdu. Hi guys, I'm Yeonju. Yo, this is Sehyun. We are back. It hasn't been 2 years since at Love Sick in 2022. And we are here to meet Houston Mua again with At Promise, yeah right? How have you been guys?
We miss you so much and now we're so happy to see you. Let's have fun in today's sound check.